Hey, what's up? Ngayon po, unbox natin Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, not the 5G variant. Ito po yung base model for the Plus ng Samsung Tab S9. Ito po ay na-open na for testing purposes only. Ito yung tab. Let's set this aside. So sa box, nandito kasama na rin ang S Pen. Nandito ang ating USB-C to USB-C charger. And nandito po ang ating SIM ejector tool and Samsung papers. Ito na yung tab. Box natin. Yan. This is the graphite color. And this is the screen. And now, papakita ko po sa inyo yung included na accessory, which is the book cover keyboard slim. Siya. This is the keyboard without the trackpad. This will attach magnetically. Magnet po siya. This is where you store the S Pen. And this is how it looks kapag nakataas po siya. Top view, side view. Abangan nyo po ang full review ko, and thanks for watching.